Today we're diving into the exciting features of the Infinix Hot 50, available under 10,000 rupees with 5G connectivity. This smartphone is turning heads in the budget segment, so let's check out what it has to offer. Display first up, the display. The Infinix Hot 50 features a stunning 6.7-inch HD Plus screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means smoother scrolling and a better viewing experience, perfect for gaming and watching videos. You won't miss any detail on this vibrant display. Camera next, let's talk about the camera. It boasts a powerful 48-megapixel dual AI rear camera setup, along with an 8-megapixel front camera for selfies. Whether you're capturing landscapes or close-ups, expect clear and vibrant photos every time. Performance now onto performance. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, the Infinix Hot 50 handles multitasking with ease. It comes with options for 4GB or 8GB of RAM, ensuring smooth operation for all your apps and games. Plus, it runs on Android 14 with XOS 14.5 for a user-friendly experience. Battery and charging battery life? No worries. The Infinix Hot 50 packs a robust 5,000 mAh battery, which easily lasts all day. And with 18-watt fast charging, you can quickly recharge and get back to using your phone in no time. Infinix Hot 50 is an impressive smartphone that offers great value for money, with its affordable price tag of just 9,999 rupees. It's perfect for anyone looking to step into the world of 5G without spending a fortune. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching.